In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the exciting opportunities available to make money on Amazon with little to no upfront investment. Whether you're looking to kickstart a side hustle or explore full-time entrepreneurship, Amazon offers several pathways to generate income, even if you're not ready to make a substantial financial commitment at the start. Let's dive into some of the most promising methods. First up, we have dropshipping, a popular way to break into e-commerce without the need to handle physical products. With dropshipping, you essentially act as the middleman. You list products from suppliers such as wholesalers or manufacturers on Amazon, and when a customer makes a purchase from your listing, the order is sent directly to the supplier who ships the product to the customer. Your profit comes from the difference between the wholesale price and what you charge the customer. This model minimizes initial costs and storage hassles, perfect for those who want to dip their toes into the e-commerce world with a bit more freedom and flexibility. Next, consider partnering with a print-on-demand service. This option is particularly appealing if you have a flair for design or creativity. Companies like Printful or Teespring allow you to create custom items, like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases featuring your own designs. Once you create and upload your designs, these services print the products only when orders are placed, effectively removing the need for inventory. Customers on Amazon purchase these unique, often personalized items, and the profit lies in the markup you set. This method not only showcases your creativity, but also adds a personal touch that buyers might be seeking. Moreover, selling digital products such as ebooks is another avenue worth exploring. If you have expertise or an interesting story to share, consider writing an ebook and publishing it through Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform. This allows your work to reach a global audience without needing to invest in physical copies. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability and the potential for passive income. Once published, your ebook can generate sales 24/7 with no additional costs. Each of these options, dropshipping, print-on-demand, and digital products, offers unique advantages and might align better with different personal strengths, resources, and goals. The key to success on Amazon is understanding these models and choosing the one that resonates most with your skills and interests. Additionally, leveraging resources like our Guide to Online Business Ideas can deepen your understanding and assist you in making well-informed decisions. I hope you now have a clearer picture of the diverse opportunities available to start earning on Amazon with minimal initial investment. These methods not only provide a flexible start, but also open up possibilities for expanding your venture as you gain experience and confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Amazon!